Hey guys, it is Thursday morning, and we are treated to this grey clouds. So as you know, we are packing for Nambour, and we are so far behind, it's crazy. So we've just been to Scoobys storage shed, and we grabbed some of his quality merchandise. The teak chairs, which are made. They're very expensive. We had $500 on them. They've been discounted because he's traveling them around and they're getting scratched, and you know, so I don't know, we'll probably halve that, won't we? Yeah. Probably even 200. You know, and if you look online, there's 3 of them in the silver. They are very expensive. Scooby got them at the right price, didn't he? He got them for not a lot. Monster High. We've got the castle there. I don't know how complete it is. I said to Scooby, did you open it and look at it? He goes, there's probably a couple of pieces missing, so we don't know. So what would you put on that?
I think it's worth about $50.
Between 30 to 50?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30 to 50 bucks. This is all just other Monster High, like accessories. Would you just do that as a job lot, or would we put it all out and spread it out? It's how much room we got done on the site.
I'd $30 on the work.
Yeah, so about 30 for that. Scooby didn't do much. I mean, he didn't bring much. These are the gorillas. These are old. And, you know, we got George of the Jungle on our crew. So, you know, we get things like there's speakers. There's a bit of old china in there. These are CDs. I keep saying DVDs. They're CDs for the most part, which I didn't know I had. They're going to go into these little, these containers here. So I've got to take the stock out of there, put the stock into there, so then they're easy to read and easy to see. Okay. We're our better jewellery. We got no gold. But we got little bits of silver. So this is the silver we're taking basically. And it's not all silver. Like there's, you know, like a fancy light in there, I think, and a lighter. These are all got stuff in them. That's kind of cool. It's an owl spoon. Scooby scored the other day. That's pretty cool. They're all silver rings, but they're small. Yeah, we had 20 bucks on them last time. We're probably going to go to 10 bucks on the silver rings. These have all got stuff in them, but I can't really show them. These will just go on the cabinets. There's some, you know, vintage stuff. Oh, that's like to make the silver. You know, if you were working that way inclined. All right, so what we've decided to do, you know how we said we're going to put something good in one of these jars. So I found this chunky bit of silver. Open that up, Scuba, because I'm not putting it around my neck. Yeah, so we're going to put this, which weighs about 25, 23, something like grams. So, you know, just in silver scrap alone, there's about 30 bucks. Something like that. So we're going to throw it in one of these jars, and you're not going to know which one. And somebody's going to get a jar for nothing, basically, and probably make money on getting it. I don't know whether I'll put it in a big $20 jar or a smaller $5 jar or a $10 jar. I haven't decided. A lot of things. So I'm going to put this around my neck now. Watch me do this with just absolute urgency and just vim and vigor and just, oh yes. All right, so Scooby bought these cards. These are his cards. Spider-Man's. Superman. Oh, Superman. So I'm not much good at that. Why aren't they in their little holes there, dude?
Don't know.
Oh.
That's how I bought them.
Yeah. Alright, so do you know what's in here?
There's some Phantom cards. Those go, no.
Johnny Cage. Mortal Kombat. There's soccer. There's all sorts. Lion King. What do we got here? Coke Cap Series. Oh, Greg Williams. Oh, these are AFL. These are awesome. These are awesome, man. Jason Dunstall. Wayne Schwass. Johnny Planton. SA boy. He used to play for Central Districts, South Australia. These are cool, man.
What are they?
They're mine. Not really, I don't really care. They'll just go on my thing. Okay, these are cool. Wolverines or something. Look at him picking his own stuff. Look, he can't help himself. Geez, you got a lot. Oh, Panini. You got a Panini Casper set too, look.
Yeah, I don't know what's in there.
30th anniversary 992 Marvel. 297 Panini. There's stickers too, man. Yeah. You know, this is similar to the ones I got, except yours are nicer bags. So some people must do the same shit, I guess. 2010 Spider-Man. Oh, there's your Phantom cards you're talking about.
Yeah.
We got the big ones.
I think there was albums of them in there.
Oh, I haven't got the other albums yet. This is all just randomness. Randomness. Okay, what we got here? Oh, yeah, this one. That looks cool. Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're very good nick too, aren't they?
They're the ones you bought a comic and you'd get a card with each comic.
Oh, okay. And that was the comic you got?
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. Love it when the world comes together. More Marvel, incomplete. Oh, these are in a fancy box. Does that mean they're fancy? Did you put them in the box?
No, this is how I got it.
This is it. Oh, you bought the box like this?
Yeah.
Look, with everything in it?
Yep.
That's a good score. That's pretty much how I got mine too. Isn't it weird? Like, I didn't even know you when I got them. And you didn't even know me when you got these. So I didn't know you had these.
This one's really good. It's got some melted rubber band.
Yeah. I had that in some of my ones too. Oh, you got there. Oh, it's Jurassic Park. Yeah, this is all Jurassic Park.
It's good because there's a spare of that one.
There's a spare.
That's gone.
That's not good. Oh, Casper, you've even got a storybook. Oh, there's Panini. Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. For the ones that's missing the...
Yeah. It got a bit damaged in the box. Oh, they've stuck them in the actual stickers. I don't like that. Sports cards, except it's not. Oh, these are all the Caspers. They're pretty cool. So I've got this set not put away.
Oh, yeah.
See, I did it on the thing. I said, look. Yeah, remember I didn't know what that one was because it was freaky. I went, what's that? But I suppose it's a ghost, so it's allowed to be freaky. So that's Casper. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, there's another Phantom. Is that? Look at this. These are pretty cool, Scoob. If you're a Phantom fan, mate, you'll want to be at our stall. More Phantom. Series 294. See, somebody love Phantom. These are like the other ones. I like how they do that. Make a big picture on the back of it. I've always liked that. They've done that for years, eh, with cars. Not all of them. Right, so that's his cards. So we are in go mode today, so I don't know how many videos we'll make. This is our first one. We've got to go back to my storage shed, get all the clothes, and we haven't done the Tarzos yet. We haven't done the Pogs. We haven't done any of that. We're going to find a spot to put that nice piece of silver in one of these jars. And we know what we're doing because we're professionals. We don't know what we're doing. See, Scooby's looking at stuff, so now it's going to take time to put stuff away. Go grab one of those other bags. Put them in, I guess. You might have to, I don't know if you've got any still out there, or you might have to go and get one from around the back. Oh. Yeah, that'll do. Do I want to keep these? Milhana, Kernahan, Mickey McGuan. This is when I was really into the game, man. Buckles. How about that? King Carey. Mate of mine played for Richmond. years ago. And Marilyn Monroe. So straight from that to... and some Coke ones. These are cool. There's a shack. A couple of shacks. Oh, they're all shacks. They're all different shacks. They might be worth something. Being as a Shaquille O'Neal. Alright, so we got to keep doing what we're doing. And we'll see you on the next one. It's raining. We got to pack this, pack that. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, bye.